Nice left-handed turn at high speed. We're gonna hit something. We're gonna go ahead and low side. We're sliding. No cars are coming. And now we're gonna get up because guess what? We got full leathers. Didn't even feel the heat transfer from the ground to your butt. Mike, how we doing? Doing good? Got some sliders? All right.
I'm good.
We're good? We're gonna rescue another rider?
Holy
What happened? And when I say he's got full leathers, let's watch the crash first. I want you guys to see the full leather part. Those are full leathers, guys. Unless he's only wearing the bottoms, which is kind of weird. I don't think I've ever seen anybody just wear the bottoms. All right, here we go. We're gonna go through this turn. We're going through this turn. We're going through this turn. We're going through this turn. There's the moment we slippity-slopped. Now, was there anything in the road? No. I mean, there's this thing right here, but we didn't hit that. But we started to slide right there. So it sounded like we were accelerating around this corner, and we just kept accelerating. When it comes to turning and traction, you have turning that's going to take away traction. You got acceleration that's going to take away traction. You got braking that's going to take away traction. Well, if we're turning, we're taking it. If we're accelerating, we're taking it. And we're going to get to the point where we don't have any left. And we low side. So low siding, he's got full gear. Bike hits that. It's going to go to the other side. And now look at where we're at. We're in the other lane. Oncoming traffic. Thankfully, nobody was there. So be very careful, okay? Could be cold tires, but definitely it looked like that rear tire just lost traction. He's okay, though.
I'm good.
And you communicate that to your buddy so they can remain calm and rescue. All right, here we go. We got another one here. Okay, good. This is where I would be. Off to the side, because if they back up, look at that.
What the f*** are you doing? You're a lucky mother. I pulled
Perfect example.
You would have killed me.
Blazin' Moto, that's his name.
Get the f*** out of here, man.
Blazin' Moto.
Get the f*** out of here. Go, wherever you're going, go. You're lucky you didn't f***ing hit me. Go.
Positioned for safety, planned his ride, and he did it.
Lucky, man.
Woo! Let's watch that just one more time because I want to point out. Here we go. So we're coming up to this stop sign, and look at the position we're in. We're off to the side. We're off to the side. We're off to the side. We're planning our ride right here. If we were right there, we would have gotten hit. This is where I like to be. Offset of the vehicle. This is the T7. So we're up to the side in a lane filtering position, but we're not lane filtering because most states don't allow that. But if he backs up, we're not going to get hit. So now he's going to back up. And we didn't get hit. He just turned his handlebars. He didn't get hit. He just turned his handlebars. You see how quick that was? Look how quick it is. He had no time to react other than rev bomb.
What the f*** are you doing?
Good job. That right there is exactly what I want you to do at a stop sign or a stoplight. Get into a lane filtering position like this right here. And if something like this happens, you hopefully don't get hit. All right, catastrophic garage. This is catastrophic. Guy rolling coal on motor. Okay. Whoa, yeah, that stuff stinks, and it's not good for you. So he did a good job moving out of the way of the hazard. You could slow down also, but then it's still in the path. He did a good job. I don't think he did it on purpose. Hey, we're riding. Look how fast we're going. We're going a little too fast. Now we're gonna hit the brakes because it seems like we're gonna slow down for an intersection, and I feel like we're gonna have to say something to him. But you see how far away that was? So that whole time we were thinking about doing this. We weren't focused on all those turns. We were focused on this.
You charcoal on me, man. You just charcoal back there. You didn't care. You don't care. I was behind you. You didn't see me.
I feel bad sometimes. Like I have a Nissan Sentra. I ain't rolling coal on anybody, but I feel bad when I'm going over like a dirt road and there's somebody behind me, like maybe walking or next to me when they're walking, and I'm going next to them and get the dust kicked up. I feel bad about that, but I'm not expecting somebody to come up to me and say, hey, you know, dumb, why'd you go and use your vehicle? I don't expect that. So why are we doing that? Yeah, it sucked, but look how far back we were. So we're right here. Okay, luckily there's a hospital nearby. That's what the H stands for in America, at least, or the United States. It means a hospital is coming up. So that's actually really cool to see. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get over here. So good job, get himself out of that cloud of cancer. But look how far we go. So this whole time we're thinking about how and what we're gonna say and do and be pissed. This whole time. This looks like that looks like an amazing road. Does this not look like an amazing road to just relax? The road looks great. The trees are amazing. The view is good. It's probably cool out, but the whole time we're not able to enjoy it because we want to say something to this truck driver. You see what I mean? Sometimes you just gotta let it go. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to CARDO for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their CARDO Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a CARDO Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you'll get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. Mike from Winona. All right, riding around.
No peoples.
Still no peoples. Okay, going over a bump. Lift your butt up a little bit. Oh, he stalled and fell down.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, you could trap your leg right there. I think he did. You could easily break it. So thankfully it was a slow speed. You don't do that.
God damn it.
So right there, you see...
First.
It's a first. Okay, you see the clutch lever? Okay, so I have a little story about that. Right where it's at. Might as well just pause it because you can't get up. So that clutch lever, let's go back just a little bit more. That clutch lever, think of a BMX bike. So you have, you know, the brake on the left hand and the brake on the right hand, or any kind of bicycle. Now I've been on, I would say 8 to 10 child calls for a kid that crashed and now has a puncture in their leg or has like a wound in their leg. And this right here is what happens. They crash, they fall down, their leg gets in the front somehow, and this goes inside their thigh. And I've had it like go this far in, like into their leg. You see the fatty tissue, full thickness, everything. No blood's coming out. It's kind of weird, but they're in a lot of pain. This thing will impale you easily. I've seen it so many times, and I'm thinking to myself when I see, like, at least it's like one of the most common injuries with BMX bikes because they're trying to do tricks, right? They're doing tricks, handlebar spins, and then fall down, lands on their leg, or they land on top of it, goes right in their leg. Be very careful. Just a little fun story about kids getting impaled by their bicycles. But it can happen here. It can happen here.
How do I do that? I have no idea how that happened.
Mark, I think it's probably why. The thick part so it doesn't impale anything.
There's a clip.
All right, moving on with this one. Before I turned my camera on, this guy blew through the red light. Me in the car behind honked. Why doesn't he have the GoPro that just automatically turns on? Like the other guy. All right, this is a Honda Rebel, by the way. Great bike. Love it.
Managed to turn on the camera right after the driver ran through a red light in a dangerous way.
Okay. So, whoa, what is that guy doing? Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Now, if somebody's doing that already, just let them get way ahead. Let them get way ahead. Don't even be near it, because this right here is what's going to happen. Oh, I thought he was going to hit him. Whew. I'm glad I was wrong. Get yourself out of that situation. Hopefully they turned because you don't want them behind you. So when you see something like this, when you see something like this, I just want to squish, squish, squish. When you see someone like this, just pull yourself back, get away from them. They're not worth it. Colleague retired from work. He rode for 40 years with no accident. It can be done. Andrew B. Whew. See right here, this is scary. This is scary. Very scary. I don't know if this guy is going to do anything, and I don't know if the driver is going to pull left. You know? Very scary. Andy, yeah, that 100 miles per hour on that last road. Dumb. All right, here we go. I am Invisible Man. All right. We're going around the corner nice and slow. Very good. Okay. Vehicle kind of not doing what they're... Whoa, what are you doing? Now imagine if this rider was hauling ass. So it's 20, it's kids playing soccer or football. All right, so we're going to go wide on this one so we have a good line of sight. Now, this rider's doing exactly the right thing, by the way, everybody. We're going to go wide so we have better line of sight. If we were close, like right here, it'd be very difficult to see around. But we're right here, and we can see pretty far. So line of sight, this is a good position for safety and a good position to locate hazards. And now we see a vehicle already crossing it, and you see what this rider's doing? Moving all the way to the right already. Imagine if we just stayed right there. Wow. Very, very good. If he was in a car, he would have gotten hit. Did a good job. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.